This tutorial is going to show you a little bit about using Google Read and Write to help you with some reading and writing while you're using Google Slides or Google Docs. Now we're going to start with Slides, and it works the same with Docs, but you're going to go up top here, and if you're signed in, you're going to see your little purple puzzle piece with the RW in here. I want you to click on that. And yes, there's a lot of tools, but we're only going to focus on a couple of the main ones to help you with some of this stuff during summer learning. So the first thing is that when you click in here, we used to be able to add right in there. And of course you can type, but we're going to go in and we're going to use this tool up here called the Talk and Type. Now something changed in Google Slides. When we click on it, the first thing you're going to get is you might get that little pop-up that occurs up top to allow your microphone. And make sure you click Allow. Then, when you're ready, you're going to click on the microphone here, and it's going to go down to the speaker's notes. This changed for some reason. It usually popped in here, but I'll show you a quick way to get that in there. So whenever you're ready, take a big breath, speak clearly, and when I click on that microphone, you can now type and talk, and it will write everything you say, period. Did you notice that I could actually say the punctuation, question mark? This is really handy when you're dictating what you want the computer to write. Now notice I just shut it off, and there's my speaker notes down there. Now, I really want to get this up here. So all I have to do is, I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to hold down my mouse, and I'm going to drag it and highlight this whole section. And the best way to do it, you can either do a Control-C to copy, or do a right-click on your mouse, and I'm just going to copy that. Then, I'm going to click in the box. Let's delete that high. And I could either do a Control-V, which is paste, or with a right click on my mouse, I can go to paste, and now my writing is up there. So that's a quick way to use Google Read and Write to talk and type, put it in the speaker notes, and then you can copy and paste it up to here. The other tool that we have is, of course, the good old play button. So if you have a lot of writing that you want to double check and you want to hear read back to you, if you go up to the triangle in Google Read and Write, when you hit play,
click to add title and talk, and it will write everything you say. Did you notice that I could actually say the punctuation?
So there you go. So you can have things read back to you if you just need to do some proofreading and listen to what it is you wrote. So that's for Google Slides. If I flip over to my Google Docs, it does work much better. And the way you get it is exactly the same. So once you're in your doc, if you don't see it, you're going to go click on that Google Read and Write. There it is. And then I go to the headset for the talk and type. And notice I turn it off first because I'm not ready to talk. But when you're ready to talk, you place the cursor where you want it to go, and then it's going to start writing down everything you say. I really like how you can see this mountain reflected in the lake, period. I wonder if I could ever make it to this place to see this amazing sight. Question mark. And there you go. So you can see it works a lot better in a Google Doc when you use the talk and type. So the other thing you can do, of course, if you go in to click at the beginning, hit that triangle tool like we did before.
I really like how you can see this mountain reflected in the lake. I wonder if I could.
And you can have things read back to you to help with some proofreading. And that's how you use Google Read and Write for summer learning.